Ill health, okay, it's a blocking energy flow. The energy flow is defined as blood flow, lymph flow, and nerve flow. If any of these are blocked, you have a health issue, okay? And this blockages usually come because you're eating the wrong food. So acidosis is created. Acidosis will create blocks in the elimination organs, okay? The kidneys, the skin, the lungs, and the digestive system, the bowels, okay? Any of these are blocked, you have a health issue. So when you block the lymph system, you get a compression of the nervous system as well. Okay, so that's why sometimes you feel like you're swelling up, and then you feel numbness in your hands because there's no nerve flow. The lymph flow is compromised. Okay, so lymph flow affects functions of tissue, organ, and glands. It will cause pain. Okay, discomfort, and nerve flow. Well, it leads to stuff like spasms or numbness or tingling. That's blocking nerve flow. Blood flow, if it's a blocking blood flow, is dangerous, very, very dangerous. It can't last very long. Okay, all this, remember, is all blocked by acidosis. So to fix this, grow herbs and fruits. Use the herbs for the kidneys, the adrenals, the lymph system, stomach, and bowels. Address the main elimination channels. Okay, get the lymph system to flow. Get the kidneys to work better, and you see things will repair themselves. You have health. It's abundance of energy flow.